Natural ways to cure depression. Depression is a serious mood disorder with symptoms that range from mild to debilitating and potentially life-threatening. Some people manage depression with herbal remedies. Always take symptoms of depression seriously, as depression doesn't just go away on its own. While there are many things you can do to support your mental health, don't try to just handle your symptom alone. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is believed to relieve stress and anxiety due to the presence of active compounds like steroidal lactones, ponines, alkaloids, and vithanolides that provide antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-anxiety properties. These properties help in reducing stress caused by emotional and physical fatigue. Brahmi. Brahmi is a small perennial creeping herb that has an age-old reputation of curing stress. Brahmi acts as an adaptogen, which simply means that it helps the body adapt to new or stressful situations. It is believed to increase the serotonin levels in the brain that helps the mind keep calm and give relief from anxiety and nervousness. Spikenard. Spikenard is a perennial herb that helps curing insomnia and other sleeping disorders. It is also known for its antidepressant, anti-stress, and anti-fatigue properties. The roots of the spikenard are used for medicinal purposes, which are known to give a therapeutic effect to mood swings and stress disorders. Peppermint. Pudina or peppermint has been used for centuries to cure nervous system disorders due to the presence of menthol, as it helps calm and frazzles nerves and has a cooling effect. It is loaded with vitamin A and C, minerals including magnesium, manganese, calcium, iron, folate, copper, and potassium. Maca. Maca is a herb that is power-packed with nutrients. It is a rich source of vitamins, amino acids, various minerals, and phytonutrients that increase stamina and decrease excessive anxiety. Maca belongs to the radish family. Maca has proved to be a natural healer that helps with hormone and neurotransmitter production due to the presence of adaptogen.